luxury car poster, e-commerce product photo shoot, movie poster, different designs, all made with one tool. You might know TikTok, but did you know the same parent company built one of the most powerful AI creative tool? It's called Dreamina, and it just got a massive upgrade. Seedream 5.0 Lite is now live, launching first on Dreamina before anywhere else in the world. The smartest AI image model, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. So, let's dive in. A link in the description. Sign in with your Google account. You'll see options for Canvas, AI image, AI video, and more. Click on AI agent and select on AI image. You'll see the model selector. Make sure you select image 5.0, which is powered by Seedream 5.0 Lite. Seedream 5.0 Lite is now live on Dreamina, the most powerful AI image model yet. Feature 1. Smarter image generation. I'm going to give it a complex prompt. Here you can put reference images. I am just giving prompt. Generate a data table showing monthly sales figures for a clothing brand. For the ratio, click Auto. And right now, 2K resolution is completely free for everyone. 4K is free for paid members. Hit Generate. Look at that. It understood the data. It built the chart. With the right colors, the right layout. This is what I mean by world knowledge and reasoning ability. You can generate video, edit on Canvas, edit and more. Now watch this. I'm uploading 5 separate sneaker parts, and my prompt is, assemble the items in the reference images into a complete sneaker. Hit Generate. It knew exactly how they fit together. It understood spatial relationships, what goes where, what connects to what. Even with a short vague prompt, Seedream 5.0 Lite automatically fills in the missing details and completes the visual intent. You don't have to be a prompt engineer to get great results. That's the whole point. Feature 2. Precise partial editing. Here's a beautifully styled interior photo. But what if the client wants a different sofa? Just upload this image and click on it. Click on Quick Selection tool. See this brush tool? I'm going to paint just this sofa. Done. Type prompt. Change the sofa color to dark forest green. Keep everything else in the image identical. Hit Generate. Same lamp. Same shelves. Same books. Only the sofa changed. Exactly where I told it to. Precise. Clean. No guessing. Now let me try something different. I'm going to remove an object completely. I'm rectangling just this French press. Type. Remove the French press from the shelf. Hit Generate. Gone. Clean shelf. No trace. No manual editing. This is precise partial editing. Clean. No guessing. And this is a complete game changer. Feature 3. Advanced Style Transfer. Seedream 5.0 Lite can deeply analyze the visual style of any reference image. Let me show you. I'm uploading this chocolate brand poster as my style reference. This is the visual identity I want to replicate. And here's my completely different product, a high-protein oat bar. Type prompt. Image 1 is the style reference, a chocolate brand poster. Apply the exact same brand design style to image 2, which is a high-protein oat bar product. Hit Generate. Look at that. Same warm gold tones, same layout logic, same brand feel. But now it's a completely different product with the correct name and branding. I didn't design anything. One reference image, any product, same brand, feel every single time. Feature 4. Portrait Enhancement. Portrait Enhancement in Seedream 5.0 Lite has been completely overhauled. We're talking degraying, noise reduction, HD upscaling, and photo restoration, all working together. Here is a portrait. Type prompt. Degray the image to make it fresh. Hit Generate. Look at the difference. The clarity is sharp. It didn't over-smooth or make it look fake. It just made it look like it was shot in perfect lighting. For photographers or portrait editors, this alone is worth using Dreamina for. Real-world use case. Now let me show you a real workflow. Designing a professional poster from scratch. I'm not a designer. I have zero Photoshop skills. Type. Beauty new product KV design. Large text at the top. Key ingredients listed. Hit generate. Let's see what we get. Typography is clean. The ingredient text is readable. This is poster design at a professional level, and it took less than 30 seconds. Compare that to hours in Photoshop. This is what 10 times faster actually looks like. Seedream 5.0 Lite is first on Dreamina. Dreamina Seedance 2.0 is officially launched. New users can try it for free right now, which means Dreamina is about to become a true one-stop creation platform for both image and video. With my special link in the description. If you're a creator, designer, or marketer, this tool will save you thousands. If this video helped you, drop a like. Subscribe if you want more updates like this. Until next, happy creating!